Hello everyone! Is your car experiencing rough shifting, delayed acceleration, or even getting stuck in one gear? If your OBD-II scanner shows code P0778, Pressure Control Solenoid B Electrical, this means there's an electrical issue affecting the transmission's hydraulic pressure, leading to serious shifting problems. Ignoring this could lead to complete transmission failure. But don't worry, I'll explain what P0778 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors and components to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0778? The P0778 trouble code appears when there's an electrical fault in Pressure Control Solenoid B, meaning it isn't regulating transmission pressure correctly. Symptoms of P0778 include harsh or delayed shifting transmission, slipping or staying in one gear, limp mode, activation, stuck in second or third gear, check engine light and transmission warning light on poor fuel economy due to improper gear shifts. If you're facing these problems, let's locate the main sensors and components responsible for P0778. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0778, you need to check these critical parts. Pressure Control Solenoid B location, inside the transmission valve body, located under the transmission fluid pan. Function: controls hydraulic pressure for smooth shifting. Transmission Control Module, TCM, Powertrain Control Module, PCM, location, usually found in the engine bay, near the firewall, under the dashboard, or attached to the transmission case. Function: sends signals to control solenoids and adjust transmission pressure. Transmission fluid pressure, TFP, sensor location, mounted on the transmission case, typically near the valve body. Function: monitors hydraulic pressure to ensure proper shifting. Input and output speed sensors, ISS, OSS. Location: attached to the transmission housing, near the input and output shafts. Function: helps the PCM determine the correct shifting strategy. Wiring and connectors location, runs between the solenoids, sensors and PCM TCM. Function: transfers electrical signals. Damaged wiring can cause solenoid failures. Common causes of P0778. Faulty pressure control solenoid B. The solenoid may have an internal short or open circuit. Damaged wiring or connectors. Broken, corroded, or frayed wiring can prevent solenoid function. Malfunctioning transmission control module, TCM, sending incorrect signals to the solenoid. Low or contaminated transmission fluid. Dirty fluid can cause solenoid malfunctions. Defective transmission fluid pressure sensor, providing incorrect pressure readings. Blown fuse or relay interrupting power to the solenoid or TCM. How to fix P0778? Step 1. Check the transmission fluid. Ensure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2. Inspect Pressure Control Solenoid B. Use a multimeter to test resistance and continuity. Step 3. Check all wiring and connectors. Look for broken, corroded, or loose connections. Step 4. Test the transmission fluid pressure sensor. Verify readings. Match manufacturer specs. Step 5. Inspect fuses and relays. Replace any faulty ones that power the solenoid. Step 6. Scan for PCM-TCM errors. Update or reprogram if needed. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and monitor transmission performance. Final words: a pressure control solenoid B electrical issue can cause shifting failures and transmission damage, so diagnosing P0778 early can save you from costly repairs. Always check your solenoids, wiring, and sensors to keep your car running smoothly. Watch these related videos next. P0422, catalyst efficiency below threshold, bank 1. P0423, heated catalyst efficiency below threshold, bank 1. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.